my bougie people, I am here today with an incredible unboxing. I cannot even believe this piece is mine. I never thought in a million years I would score this Van Cleef piece because I am not that much of a baller, okay? You have to be such a level of a baller to score this that I just don't even know. Like, this is a blessing from above, okay? Because I am definitely not the level of a baller I need to be to own this. As a matter of fact, even all of my friends here within the US, nobody that I know has this piece, and they are all ballers, okay? So it's a very rare piece. So you have to partake on my excitement on this. And I also want to make sure that I announce the winner for the Chanel net bag that I have announced a couple of videos ago, that I was doing a giveaway for this Chanel net bag that came with the Chanel Factory 5 beauty collection. So thank you to everybody who participated. I just asked you to tell me what you want for Christmas, and the winner for this is Michaela Monlow. I hope I am pronouncing this correctly, Michaela, okay? Thank you so much for participating, everybody. I really appreciate you guys being here and watching my videos. So Michaela, if you can please contact me or reply to the comment that you posted on the original video, because I want to get your contact information to get your address so I can ship this to you. So let's talk Van Cleef unboxing, because that's what we came here to do, isn't it? You want to know what the hell I got, don't you? This was a present from me to me for Christmas. So this is an early Christmas unboxing. So I'm not going to have anything probably super exciting to unbox for Christmas. So this is it, folks. But I am happy. I ain't complaining. Okay. So let's open this up. I just did my nails specifically for this video because I know you guys gonna talk crap if my nails look like crap. You guys are ruthless. Okay. So I'm prepared. Let's open it up, and it is VCA Rock Crystal Bracelet, guys. The Alhambra Rock Crystal, which is this beautiful transparent quartz stone. Oh my gosh, this is so absolutely incredible. So I'm gonna get it out of the back. Right here, it comes like with a little elastic. And you can see what the bracelet is like. It is transparent. It looks kind of like a glass. And this is truly a collector's piece. I mean, this is such a dream come true for me. I love it. You can wear with any color outfit, nails. It fits everything. It matches everything. So here you can actually see the comparison between my ring, which is mother of pearl, and this is the rock crystal. So this is perfect to stack with any Van Cleef, and I love that it is neutral. How beautiful is that? Such a unique piece. I had never even seen this in person before. Only on Instagram, on the lifestyle of rich and famous. Asked about it to ISA, and they're like, no, sorry. You know, so basically, hey, you're not rich enough, bitches. So I have to tell you the story of this bracelet. I knew that the regular boutiques here in the US, they keep telling us that we cannot see this for another 2 or 3 years. And even so, like when they get them in store, the line of VIPs to get the rock crystal is so long that it would never come to me. Do you know what I mean? There's hundreds of people ahead of me that have more money than me. You have to be like billionaire, real estate mogul, you know. That's kind of like the caliber of the person that got this rock crystal recently here in Miami. So I have a dear friend on Instagram who connected me to her essay, and her essay actually got me this bracelet. I am so grateful to her. I told her, I said, you just made my dream come true. I cannot even believe I have this. So I'm gonna put my mother of pearl bracelet with it so you can kind of see the difference between the two of them. But check this out. So this is what it looks like with the mother of pearl, right? So this is the mother of pearl, and this is the rock crystal. You can kind of see the difference. I think they look incredible together with the Magic Alhambra ring. Look at this. What a flipping stack this is, right? And for me, it's perfect because here in Florida, I wear a lot of light colors. So I feel like white and this transparent color are perfect for most of my outfits. gosh, I'm in so much love. It comes with a little travel pouch, so when you travel, you can place your bracelet right here, all right? And you don't damage your bracelet. I love that they come with these little pouches. They're super practical. It comes with a receipt, so I'm gonna tell you the price. So the price was a little bit above $4,000. This is something I would never get here. If I wanted to sell this bracelet, I would freaking make a killing right now. It came with this little kind of like booklet. It has your care book right here. It's like your care guide. It has this little booklet here with your authenticity certificate. I'm not gonna show it with the numbers and all because you guys know I don't like to show it so these freaking fake resellers don't copy these certificates. Now, one thing that I thought was very interesting, because I have never gotten this, like a little booklet, and then you open it to the side. So this is what it looks like. It has a little booklet here, but it comes with a little fabric. Look, it says Van Cleef on it, and it is a little fabric for you to clean your piece. Check this out. Never got this before, and I have purchased several pieces from Van Cleef. I thought this was so cool. I will definitely use it to kind of wipe out my pieces, right? Let's stack with my other pieces, and there you have my power stack right now. I love my stack. This is a dream stack for me, guys. My mother of pearl was the first one that I got. The second one that I got was the onyx. The third one that I got was the gold vintage Alhambra. And then now the fourth one, which is my rock crystal. I am so happy. I feel like my life is complete. I will continue to collect Van Cleef, but this is everything I have ever dreamed of and beyond, because I never thought I would have a rock crystal on my stack. And then with this ring, guys, this Alhambra ring is everything. This is such a power look, you know, because this is the magic size. So this is the bigger size ring, which I love way more than the smaller version that they have with the little diamond in the middle. I will probably buy that eventually, but this specific ring has always been my dream. It's big, it's juicy, it is thick. I feel like it makes anybody's hand look amazing. Check that out. I think this big ass ring, okay, with this killer stack, I feel like a rich bitch, my people. Look at this. I mean, that's the goal, okay? We wanna look bougie. I'm not spending this money to look dainty. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm spending this money so I arrive. You guys know that, okay? I wanna do a video talking about my thought process and how I think you should start your stack, which colors you should get first, how you go about building your collection, because I do think there are smarter ways to build your stack. I am very happy with how I went about doing mine, and I just think this is a look. I can wear this all the time, every day. I can put flipping Walmart and I feel like $1,000,000 with my Van Cleef. That's the cool thing about jewelry. Elevates anything. It goes with all your outfits, all your bags, all your shoes. I don't know, it's really hard. I know I've told you guys a million times that I am on a jewelry kick, but I am. Like, even for Christmas, I really needed bags because I'm very poor on bags, guys. And still I got jewelry. I still got my Van Cleef, and obviously this was a once in a lifetime opportunity to get this rock crystal. I had to say go for it, right? I can get bags after. I'm having to force myself to buy bags right now because I want a million things from Cartier. I want Bulgari, I want more Van Cleef, but it's a great investment, guys. Like, you can sell your Van Cleef pieces so easy. You're not gonna sell for more than what you paid. You're gonna lose a little bit. Like, it is such a great investment. You will recoup most of your money. You can buy it, you can wear it for years, and if you decide to sell it, you will recoup most of your money. It never goes out of style. Jewelry, you can pass to your children. Like, my daughter's like, Mom, one day all of this is gonna be mine. But it is true. Like, it's forever. Hello, it's over there. I'm like totally feeling myself because bitches are gonna look at this and be like, she must be somebody. And I mean, I'm not somebody. I just got very lucky, very, very lucky is all I'm going to say. But guys, I don't know if you guys believe in like energy and positivity and manifestation, but I do think that when you are a positive, upbeat person and you are always looking at the positive side of life and you are manifesting good things happen to you. You guys know I'm not the richest bitch on the block, but absolutely not. Like, I have so many friends here in Miami who are super high VIP, who buy so many things, so many clothes, jewelry, bags, croc, diamonds, all the time, who are like the super VIP customers. I am not one of them. Like, I live a comfortable life, right? I'm very blessed to be able to buy these things and have the extra money to be able to buy these things, but I'm not an ultra VIP customer. And yet I have had some luck in my life that I cannot explain to you. You know, when I think about my mini Kelly, when I think about my special order Hermes, when I think about this, be good, be positive, be a person in life that chooses to see the positive side of everything, because I do believe that what you put out there to the world does come back to you. And that's the only way that I can explain, you know, all of these strokes of luck that I have with my luxury items, because I think normally I would never be able to score these things, you know. So I'm just so grateful for all of these beautiful things. But, you know, at the end of the day, what really matters is health and family and love. Those are the things that ground me and really bring happiness to my life 100%. This stuff is just the cherry on top, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will be back soon with a kick-ass Cartier shopping vlog that your jaw is going to drop, okay? So I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.